And I'm getting the fuck out of here. Thank you.
An incident has occurred in the building. The Liverpool One team are investigating. An incident has occurred in the building. The Liverpool One team are investigating. An incident has occurred in the building. The Liverpool One team are investigating.
Hello, everybody. Get off with that fire emergency exit there. Oh. Hey. Sorry, I saw the fire in ODEON. That's why I came out. To let you know. Fire! Fire! Oh, shit! Now I'm gonna sit up here, dude. That's how you like inspire them. Fuck! Shit. Oh my god. He is injured. see what I just did? I put the fire alarm in Odeon Cinema out of spite for the amazing digital circus, people. The amazing digital circus was premiered in that cinema, and I put the fire alarm to fuck them out of spite. I hope that you learn when a fandom is this toxic, this is why you get upped. I should be careful what I say, shouldn't I? When it's going on, I don't know, but yeah, I put the fire alarm out of spite for the amazing digital circus in Odeon Cinema. And I'm getting the fuck home now. Thanks for watching and looking at my video.